LinkedIn is the largest professional and business-oriented network online. If you operate in the B2B field or try to build your own professional brand, using the power of such a vast professional community in your marketing is essential. Hey, I'm Ina from Kashu, and today's video will teach you how to use LinkedIn posts to attract your target audience. Why post on LinkedIn? There are many reasons to want to focus on LinkedIn. The first one is obvious. LinkedIn is a business network, so it allows you to promote your organization to an audience of professionals, generate leads, and connect with relevant members of your community. According to research, 80% of LinkedIn members are decision makers. Having a direct channel of communicating with them can help you arrange meetings and book sales calls much faster. Moreover, LinkedIn company pages rank on Google, which contributes to your SEO. In order to take full advantage, make sure that your company page includes relevant keywords, backlinks, and high-quality images. In order to be successful when you start posting to your LinkedIn page, you need to do some planning. First, get to know the audience you'll be targeting. This will help you determine their pain points and what influences their buying decisions. Those important factors are the key to effective content. The more detailed the description of your prospects, the bigger the chances you can create content that they would love. Here are some questions that can help you get started. What is the field they operate in? And what is their job title and position? Where are they located? What is the terminology they would understand best? How can you be relatable to them? What are their pain points and how can your business provide a solution? What is the best way to showcase your expertise? If you want to learn more about how to get to know your audience, why not download our free ebook? The link is in the description. After you are clear on your customer avatar, you need to determine what will be the purpose of your LinkedIn page. Would you be using LinkedIn as an awareness booster or to generate leads? Avoid spamming and pushing your product or service and try to build relationships instead. Types of posts to attract viewers. Posting on LinkedIn helps you get in front of your target audience, and the more active you are, the better chances you have to get noticed. But to keep your followers' attention, you need to make sure your posts are exactly what they're looking for. So let's take a look at the type of posts you can create on LinkedIn. Adding images to your posts can make them perform better. Make sure that the images you add are high quality and on brand. For instance, you can implement your brand colors into a graphic or post a photo that corresponds to your brand's voice. Content performance analysis proves that text is the most effective form of content on the platform. It gets the most comments, shares, and reach than any other type of content out there. This is very unique to LinkedIn compared to other social networks, where text is the worst performing. You can write a longer post that is combined with a picture or use LinkedIn's publishing platform. Make sure that any links you need to add to your post are in the first comment, as LinkedIn doesn't favor links in the main text. Additionally, use relevant hashtags so your post can be easily found. LinkedIn can be used as a blogging tool, as it allows you to write articles directly on the platform. Posting articles on LinkedIn is a great way to show your expertise and stand out to your target audience. Additionally, adding more relevant keywords and backlinks to your article can help with your search engine optimization. You can post PDFs on LinkedIn and increase the value you provide to your followers. PDFs can be ebooks or white papers in which you give an in-depth analysis of a problem and a solution your target audience might have. PDFs can also be a series of images, carousels that deal with a particular topic. These types of posts can make you establish yourself as an expert in your area and as someone determined to give value to your viewers. If you truly want to stop your viewers from scrolling, video is always the best idea. As with virtually every other platform, video is the most engaging and memorable type of content on LinkedIn. And due to the fact that videos are posted more rarely compared to other posts on other social media, the algorithm favors the ones that end up on the platform. So make sure that any information that you want people to see is posted as a short video. Other types of content you can post on LinkedIn are posts, job postings, and events. Posting on LinkedIn is a great way to position yourself and your brand in front of the right audience, as long as you make sure you take the time to find out what it is that they would like to see. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time!